Welcome to Ship4wd, your one-stop shop for all your business shipping needs. Let's get started. Start your search by adding in all your shipping information. Choose from either full container load, less than container load, or air freight shipment, where your cargo will be picked up from and delivered to, how much cargo are you shipping, and when will it be ready by. You can click on any quote result to see the full price details and breakdown. Our prices are guaranteed and cover freight plus origin and destination charges. Once you find the one that fits you best, hit select to continue your booking. Not sure how to fill out the details of your quote? No problem. We can talk directly to your supplier for you. Our 24/7 live expert support is always available whenever you need. Ship4wd services go beyond just shipping. You can add additional services like cargo insurance and customs clearance with just one click of a button. No need to speak to different vendors or manage contracts separately. Finally, review your order and choose how you want to pay, online or offline. It's as simple as that. Our dashboard overview will keep you up to date on where your shipment is at all times. Enjoy peace of mind shipping, knowing that experts are taking care of your cargo and ensuring it gets to where it needs to go. Ship4wd, redefining global shipping for SMBs.